Today we're going to show you how to wrap the lower console of KITT from Season 2 using microfiber fabric film. This is a great way to give your console a new look, and it's easier than you might think. You can easily order this microfiber film on Amazon. It comes in different colors, so you can choose what suits your style best. Ours took about 2 to 3 days to arrive. Before we start, it's important to make sure the surface is grease-free. We cleaned the console with glass cleaner and let it dry thoroughly. No other prep was needed. The lower console is gloss black and had a few scratches which will be covered with the film. We traced the outline of the console on the back of the film and then cut it out roughly. If you're a bit more skilled, you might be able to do this in one piece. We had to use multiple sections which resulted in a few seams. But for us it wasn't a big issue. To smooth the film, we used a squeegee, which you can also buy online. However, you could use any flat object to do this. Just make sure to work carefully to avoid wrinkles. One thing to keep in mind with microfiber fabric is the direction of the fibers. We tried to follow the grain most of the time, but it didn't always line up perfectly. Still, the final result looked great. To make sure the adhesive sticks well, we recommend warming up the console a bit with a hairdryer after applying the film. This activates the glue and helps it stay in place. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.